So sorry girls, due to some disturbance I stopped the class in the middle and already I uploaded that one, and now here I am continuing that same problem here. So now here 3z square of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 5 by 2, okay, and this is lecture number 22, and here minus of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. So by adding all this, here I am taking 3 common, then what we get here, x square plus y square plus z square. See girls, from the first 3 terms I am taking 3 of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 5 by 2 is common. Then I have that 3x square plus 3y square 3z square, no? So that is why 3 of this one minus here what I have, 3 of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. Now here I have it is whole to the power of 1 and here whole to the power of minus 5 by 2. Then what we get, 3 of x square plus y square plus z square, the bases are equal, the power should be added. So 2 minus 5 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 of x square plus y square plus z square whole to the power of minus 3 by 2. So both will be cancelled. So therefore the answer, that is grad square of 1 by r is equal to 0. Okay, so this is nothing but the problem, and simply you can prove. Just here they didn't give anything, just we took that it is nothing but r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and from that we calculated 1 by r, and after that we calculated simply the Laplacian formula used, and by that we have the value. So with this the third unit applications, practical problems are finished. Next we have to go for the fourth unit. Okay, now write down unit fourth problems. Write down, find both the divergence, find both the divergence and the curl of the vector fields, the curl of the vector fields. First a bit, so I will say 1 and you have to solve the remain. Okay, a is equal to u of can I give the hints, ma? I hope you will. So now write down, first one is a bit is b1 x y z comma z square comma x minus y. Okay, so now first of all here you have to take that u. What they are asking? They are asking the curl and the divergent of u. So firstly I am taking a, and the divergent of u means what is the formula? This one, right? Of course we will denote like this. So now for this one simply what we have to take, which is equal to dou by dou x comma dou by dou y comma dou by dou z of u means y comma z comma x. Actually here, okay, I will say in our way, why? Because already we know that one. So they gave that u is equal to y comma z comma x, u1 equal to y, u2 equal to z, u3 equal to x. Okay, now here divergent of u means dou by dou u1 by dou x comma dou u2 plus by dou y comma dou u3 by dou z, or we can write what is the formula, grad u is equal to dou by dou x comma dou by dou y comma dou by dou z of u. U means y comma z comma x, like this also you can, but simply here I am calculating by taking this formula, which is equal to dou by dou x of u1 means dou by dou x of y, dou by dou y of z, dou by dou z of x. Simply here what we get, ma? We will get it is equal to 0, because with respect to x, y is 0 plus 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0. Therefore divergent of u is equal to 0. Therefore u is a solenoidal. Okay, so next they are asking to find curl u, not okay. So curl u means this one. So here what we have to do, we have to take that u is what we have, u is equal to y comma z comma x, that means u1 comma u2 comma u3. Now what is the formula for the curl u? Curl u is equal to cross product of u is equal to, here we will get some E1, E2, E3 and dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and here u1, u2, u3. Now directly some E1, E2, no need to consider E1, E2, just for the general purpose I am saying, otherwise you can write directly dou by dou x, comma, dou by dou y, comma, dou by dou z, u1 means y, z, x. Now here what is the formula? This one is closed. Now dou by dou y of x 0. Okay. So then next here, otherwise you can take that with E1 also. Your wish andi ala తీసుకున్న ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు, తీసుకోపోయిన ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. Now E1 of 0 minus 1, next minus E2 of 1 minus 0 plus E3 of, here dou by dou x of z 0 minus 1. So which is equal to minus E1 minus E2 minus E3. So it is nothing but minus of E1 plus E2 plus E3. So therefore the curl u is nothing but minus of E1 plus E2 plus E3. So if the values of the E1 is 1, 2, whatever it is, okay, we don't know those values, simply we calculate it. And here you have the second one, no, so V1. So same, in the same way you have to calculate. That is a homework, okay. And next, write on my next question, 32 question. For what values, for what values if any, so question undi kada, if any of the constants a and b is the vector field, u is equal to, they gave u is equal to y cos x plus ax z, comma b sin x plus z, comma x square plus y. Irrotational. For what values, if any of the constants a and b is the vector field u, irrotational. So we have to check that for what values of the a and b it is a irrotational. Okay, simply they gave that u. And irrotational means if the curl u is equal to 0, then we can say that u is said to be irrotational field. So now here first of all I have to calculate that the value of the curl u. So curl u means I am taking that E1, E2, E3. So now dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, u1, u2, u3. So which is of the form here u1 comma u2 comma u3. Right. So now here E1, E2, E3, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And what is u1? Y cos x plus ax z. Next b sin x plus z, x square plus y. Then what we get here, which is equal to E1 of, so here we will get 1 and here minus of, with respect to z, no, so here minus of, here it is 0 and for this one 1. Okay. So next minus E2, dou by dou x of this one is 2x minus dou by dou z of this one, this is 0 and ax z means here we will get that plus ax, sorry minus. Okay. Next plus E3 closed, dou by dou x of this one means here we will get that b sin x means we will get that b cos x plus 0. The next dou by dou y of this value, then what we get here minus cos x, that is it. So now here obviously here E1 of 1 minus 1, so obviously it is 0 comma, next what we have 2 minus a of x we can write into E2. So now here minus E2 of 2x minus ax, the next plus E3 of cos x of b minus 1. Okay, so now here what they said, they are saying that it is a irrotational. So irrotational means simply we have to take that this value is equal to 0. So irrotational field, u is irrotational field. So then curl u is equal to 0. That means 0 comma minus e2 of 2x minus ax plus e3 of cos x of b minus 1. Okay, so which is equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0. So here simply I am taking that 0 is equal to 0, and for this one minus e2 of 2x minus ax is equal to 0. Therefore e2 is equal to 0. Okay, and another one is 2x minus ax is equal to 0. X of 2 minus a is equal to 0. Actually here we have to find the value of the simply that is nothing but a values, right. So now here I am taking that. Again from this we have that x is equal to 0 or 2 minus a is equal to 0, and if I take x equal to 0, obviously the entire problem will be cancelled. So that is why I am taking that 2 minus a is equal to 0, because x is not equal to 0. Now therefore a is equal to 2. So now here what is the value of the a here? 2. Next e3 of cos of b minus 1, which is equal to 0. So from this e3 equal to 0, and here cos of b minus 1 is also equal to 0. Right, and here we do not have any value, right, that means y and so on, and here it is cos x. So now here I am taking that cos x which is not equal to 0, therefore b minus 1 equal to 0, and here we cannot say that, of course both these values are also equal to zeros. When see, if I have that a into b is equal to 0, then a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0, any one. So that is why here I am taking that e2 is not equal to 0, so I am taking this one is equal to 0. Again I am taking that x of 2 minus a, so x is not equal to 0, so 2 minus a is equal to 0. In the same way, b minus 1 equal to 0 means b equal to 1. Therefore a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. So now here for a equal to 2 and b equal to 1, we will get that the u is a irrotational field. Simply what they ask, for what values? Therefore for the values of the a equal to 2 and b is equal to 1, the field u is a irrotational field. Next write on ma another one. 33, show that u is irrotational. So they gave the value of the u. I will give the hints to you. Okay. For 33 problem, once check it. They are asking that show that u is equal to y square z minus z square sin y plus 2xyz comma 2z cos y plus y square x is irrotational. That means simply you have to take that the curve u. Okay, same thing, e1, e2, e3, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and u1, u2, u3, and finally you have to get that it is equal to 0. Okay, so and try to solve that one. Next b bit, find the corresponding potential function. So here I will say this one, already what we know, we proved that some u is a irrotational. So u is irrotational means we can write that in another way, u is nothing but some grad pi. Okay, so from this u value is nothing but what they gave, u is nothing but y square z minus z square sin y they gave, no. So and here what they are asking, a potential function. Potential function means already we are calculating, in the previous classes we calculated. So by comparing these two, we calculated dou pi by dou x and so on, and finally we calculated h value also. That is nothing but potential function. Okay, so I will give the hints to you. So take that u is equal to grad pi, and they gave u value like y square z comma minus z square sin y plus 2xyz comma 2z cos y plus y square x, no, right. Now compare, then what we get here, dou pi by dou x is equal to y square z, dou pi by dou y is equal to minus z square sin y plus 2xyz, dou pi by dou z equal to 2z cos y plus y square x. Okay, like this you have a 3 values. Simply you have to integrate dou pi by dou x with respect to x, then you will get one value, and you have to take the constant as in terms of the h of y comma z. Okay, and again otherwise, but I think it is better to discuss. And what is the third one? Hence find the value of the line integral of u along the curve. Okay, so now here I am considering b bit grad pi. What is u here? Y square z comma minus z square sin y plus 2xyz comma 2z cos y plus y square x is equal to dou pi by dou x comma dou pi by dou y comma dou pi by dou z. Now I am comparing on both sides. Then what we get? Dou pi by dou x is equal to y square z. Now dou pi by dou y is equal to minus z square sin y plus 2xyz. Now dou pi by dou z equal to 2z cos y plus y square x. So this is equation number 1, 2, 3. Now I am taking equation 1 and integrate it with respect to x. So then what we get? Integration of dou pi by dou x is equal to integration of y square z. Okay. So then here finally simply what we get, ma? We'll get that x is equal to, sorry, with respect to is cancelled, no, so pi is equal to with respect to x, no, so that's why x y square z plus h of y comma z, and this is nothing but equation number 4. Now I am going to take the help of the equation number 2. So now here I am going to integrate this equation, fourth equation, with respect to y. Then what we get? Dou pi by dou y is equal, sorry, differentiate, not integrate, to get this value. So differentiate partially with respect to y. Now dou pi by dou y xz of 2y plus h of yz means simply I am taking that dou h by dou y. Okay, because here we have that y comma z, right? So now here dou pi by dou y means from the equation 2 minus z square sin y plus 2xyz equal to 2xyz plus dou h by dou y, and from 2 both values are cancelled. Now we have that dou h by dou y is equal to minus z square sin y. So I have the value of the dou h by dou y. Now here I have to know the value of the h only. So for this just integrate with respect to y. Okay, then with respect to y means dou y will be eliminated. So now directly h equal to with respect to y, no, so minus z square and here minus cos y. Therefore h is equal to z square into cos y. Now just substitute h value in a given in a required equation number 4. Now substitute h in 4. Therefore pi is equal, because they mentioned that h is a function of y and z. Now x y square z plus h comma h of y comma z means z square of cos y, and this is nothing but the required answer. Okay, so like this we have to calculate the potential field. Next one, C bit, what they are asking, hence find the value of the line integral of u along the curve. So they mentioned the curve. Already you know how to calculate the line integral. So they mentioned that the curve is x equal to sine pi t by 2, y equal to t square minus t, z is equal to t power 4, where t lies between 0 and 1. Now for this one I will give the hint, right on ma. This is the given information. Right, the line integral of u along the curve is the difference between the values of pi, values of pi at the the difference between the values of pi at the end points. Therefore, the end points are 0 comma, see if I put that t equal to 0, then x gives 0, y gives 0, z gives 0. That is why 0 comma 0 comma 0. Okay. See, if x equal to 0, sorry, t equal to 0, then x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Therefore, the point is 0 comma 0 comma 0, starting point, and t is equal to 1. So, then here x is equal to sine pi by 2. So, sine 90 is nothing but 1, and y is nothing but 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. The next z is equal to 1. So, therefore, the point is 1 comma 0 comma 1. 1 comma 0 comma 1. Okay. So, now here we have to take that the simple thing, that is nothing but the difference. So, now here the line integral u dot dr is equal to, simply we can take that pi of b minus pi of a. So, what is pi of b? Here this is the point. So, now 1 comma 0 comma 1 minus 0 comma 0 comma 0. Finally, what we get here? 1, and here of course 1 minus 0 comma 0 minus 0 comma 1 minus 0. Now, the point is 1 comma 0 comma 1. So, 1 0 1. Otherwise, here you can take that the addition also, there is a no problem. Pi of b minus pi of a. Okay. So, pi of simply 1 comma 0 comma 1 minus what they gave, u or pi ma? So, if they gives u, then simply write it u. So, pi of 0 comma 0 comma 0. Okay. So, now here we have to substitute these values in a given u. So, then you will get that the value. So, what is the given u? Actually they gave u, no? Yeah. So, now here it is u. Already we took that the pi value also. What is the pi? Just now we calculated. Pi is nothing but x two x y z minus z square cos y, right. Now, if you put x equal to 1 0, obviously here 0 minus z square means 1, 1 into cos 0 is 1, right. So, it is nothing but minus 1 minus pi of 0 comma 0 comma 0 means this is 0, minus 0 into something will be 0. So, it is nothing but 0. So, now it is nothing but minus 1. Okay. So, like this also you can calculate. Otherwise, so once calculate this one, because I gave the homework also in this one. So, once try it, otherwise I will send it. Okay. So, next here we have another problem, that is find the next 34 problem is find the divergence of the vector field u is equal to r. Already we discussed that problem, that is 23rd problem. And next coming to the third, now 34 and 23 are same. Next we have the 35, that is the vector field u is defined by u, then calculate curl u and find the points where curl u equal to 0. Already we calculated this one yesterday. So, that is a 24th problem. So, now 35 and 24 are same. Okay. And next here I am going to give the hints to you girls. So, here show that next problem, 36th problem, what they are asking is show that both the divergence and the curl are line operators, linear operators. I will discuss that one. Next 37, find grad of grad pi, where pi is equal to 2x cube y squared z power 4. So, grad of grad pi means simply it is nothing but Laplace. So, that is grad square, otherwise you know del square pi is equal to, what is the formula? Dou square pi by dou x square plus dou square pi by dou y square plus dou square pi by dou z square. Okay. So, just calculate all these values and substitute here, finally you will get the value of that one. Next 38. So, here they ask that if capital A is equal to some value, then find the curl of curl A. So, then find the curl of curl A means they gave A. Okay. A is nothing but x square yi minus 2xzj plus 2yzk. If they gives like this, now this is nothing but u1, this is nothing but u2 and this is nothing but u3. Like this you have to. Now u1 equal to x square y, u2 equal to minus 2xz and u3 equal to 2yz. Now first of all I am calculating curl A. That is, here what we have to do ma, simply they gave the direction. So if they mention the direction, then you have to take that ijk. So now here dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and here u1, u2, u3. Okay, now calculate it by substituting the values. You will get the value in terms of the I, j, k. Okay, I of some value plus j of some value, k of some value. Again you have to consider whatever here you will get. Actually you will get here the value is nothing but I of 2z plus 2x minus j of 0 plus k of minus 2z minus x square. Like this you will get. Again you have to consider u1 and u2 and u3. Again you have to calculate curl of curly. Okay, so like this you have to calculate and finally you will get the answer is 0 comma 2x plus 2 comma 0. Okay, next 39 problem, show the divergent of curl A is equal to 0. So divergent of curl A means simply we have to calculate here they didn't give the values for A. So simply we have to take that some A is equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k. Okay, and by taking that one, first of all we have to calculate curl A, and after that we have to apply the divergent. Okay, divergent means already we have the formulas, no. So by taking that one we will get it as 0. So I am going to give the hint. First of all, curl A means I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and here A1, A2, A3. So finally here you will get that I of dou A3 by dou y, like that you will get. Okay, and for that what they are asking, divergent of curl A. So divergent of curl A means, what is a divergent ma? Dou by dou x comma dou by dou y comma, of course here first terms we have to consider, that is dou u1, like that we have to consider, no. So simply here you can take that directly dou by dou z of, like this also. Okay, so finally you will get that the answer only in terms of the like a dou square A3 by dou x and so on, like that you will get. So calculate it, and if not, once inform to me, I will send the solution. And next 40th problem, if capital A is, they gave some value, then find curl A at the point. Simple thing. What they gave? They gave that capital A is equal to xz cube I minus 2x square yz j plus 2yz power 4k. Okay, they are asking to find curl A. So to find the curl A, this is u1 and this is u2 and this is u3. Simply take this formula and finally you will get one value which is in terms of some I, some plus j of, some plus k of, so on. Finally what you have to do, you have to substitute that x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1. By that you will get the answer for this one. And here the answer is curl A, the answer is 3j plus 4k. So by substituting the value of the x and yj, you will get total in terms of the ijk, so that answer is nothing but 3j plus 4k. Okay, so like this you have to calculate ma, and we have some applications also, if possible. I mean once refers in our other textbooks, and here we have to discuss the 36th problem, and of course I will send all those. Okay, I am not going to discuss here because it is a very simple one, and theoretically we have to discuss, and I will share all those, no problem. So once today write the better to write the records also, okay, and first write the notes, and with this this paper, vector calculus paper, is finished. So again in the next class, that means on Monday I am going to start the sec paper. So already you know that in sec paper we have 2 units. So in those 2 units, of course the second unit is very simple thing. So in that we have just tables and bar graphs and pie charts and so on. So that is a simple thing to you. So I will discuss the topics and I will share the notes related to that one directly on that same day only. Okay. So, I hope you will finish the notes also related to this vector calculus, and if you have any doubts then you can ask. Okay. Thank you girls.